steamed fish. Okay friends, let's see what my mummy doing in the kitchen. Okay friends, come let's enter in the kitchen. Before that, read this. Hope, faith, love. Okay, now we can go in the kitchen. Mummy,
Yes, darling.
what you doing?
I'm washing the fish.
Is my fish ready?
Not yet. I'm preparing. Can you
Okay.
wait for a while?
Yeah. What is the name of this fish?
This fish name is siaka.
Okay.
Siaka. You know how to spell siaka?
Now,
S-I-A-K-A-P.
S-I-A-K-A-P.
What?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay friends, for the Portuguese fish, you need onion, ginger, garlic, and of course fish. And the most important thing is, yes, Portuguese sauce. And also friends, you can add any vegetable if you like. My favorite vegetable is lady's finger. Wow, the fish look very nice. How long the fish will take, Mommy?
This fish,
Yes.
I'm going to steam for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
After that, you can eat.
Yes.
Twenty minutes later.
Okay, friends, the fish is ready. You want to see? Come, let's see.
Wow!
See the eyes, white color. Down there. This steamed fish is good for health. No, because no oil, no fry. So it's healthy. Okay friends, I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. Catch you in next video. And make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Bye.